Having trouble with Face ID not recognizing your face on your iPhone? This can happen for several reasons, like software glitches, incorrect settings, or if the Face ID setup needs to be recalibrated. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the face not recognized issue on your iPhone quickly and easily. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID, Attention Aware features. Also enable Haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn these back again. Solution 2. Alternate or Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter passcode. Scroll down, tap Setup and Alternative Face ID. Follow the on-screen process to complete. If you can't even use this feature, then go back, scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Setup Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. If you still have issues, enable True Tone from Control Center. Tap and hold your brightness slide, enable True Tone, and then turn off Low Power Mode. Also, you can try update your iPhone to see if that works or not, or give your iPhone a reset all setting. This will definitely help unless you have hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Face ID not recognizing your face on your iPhone. If the problem still persists, it could be a hardware-related issue, and reaching out to Apple support for assistance would be a good next step. I'd love to hear if these steps work for you, so let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions or need more help, feel free to ask.